This is the RIG. It's an IP68 waterproof, high-end health watch with ECG, blood oxygen, and lots of other good things. You get a variety of controls here. You've got notifications sent to you from the phone, and then you get into the good stuff. Here's last night's sleep time information, changes daily. You come over again, you've got your step count information, basic with distance travel, calories burned, units are settable in the app, and you got time of day on all of these screens. Here we go into continuous heart rate with a scale, your time, your high, your low, and your current heart rate as measured PPG with the green diodes. Go again, you get into blood oxygen. It's doing in the background regularly a continuous blood oxygen reading, but this will give you an incremental reading using the red diode technology, and at night it does the continuous reading to calculate your heart rate variability and produce Lorenz scatter diagrams, which are amazing if you haven't seen them. Takes about a minute, you'll get your blood oxygen right there. This page now is your ECG reading, and it's actually using an electrode on this side and 2 plates on the bottom. You simply start it, hold that button, squeeze a little bit on it, give it about a 5-second countdown, and you'll see a faint red line in there. It's going to take about 30 seconds to a minute. It waits until it gets a really good chart going. It's starting to show up now. And it'll run that ECG for you. So you can literally look live on the screen to monitor your ECG. We'll bail out of that, keep on going with the review. And after that one, you're right back to time again. So it loops all the way around. When you press the side button, you get into your workouts. A few of them, run, walk, hiking, elliptical, and so forth. Not big on fitness, but it does have some of these activities in here. You've got the pedometer we looked at, your sleep, heart rate, ECG, and blood oxygen we looked at. You have a breathing exercise in this watch that you can work with, notifications we've seen. Here's where you can set your alarms in the app and transfer them over here to the watch. You have a stopwatch in this one. Little sensitive getting into it. And it runs in the background, which is really sweet. You can just keep that thing going if you want to. You got countdown timers, find your phone. Ladies, your female information, when you set it up, will be available for you on here as well. Remote camera and overall settings that include a lot of interesting things. Your screen display time and brightness, health monitor, are all these switches that you can turn on. You'll learn about those in the full review. You've got other switches here for movement reminder, twist your wrist to see the time, those kind of things. My finger's a little wet, which is why it's not scrolling well. It normally does. Languages, the app you can download, and your overall system information, which allows you to erase everything or just plain power it off. Speaking of powering off, you can get to that this way as well, or when you hold this button, you can go into an emergency ECG right there on the spot. Press your button, let it go, and it'll start doing it for you. It's a really nice watch. It's got 2 different bands it comes with. This is a Velcro cloth band, and then, as you can see down here, you've got a rubberized band too, and it uses a unique charging dock on this watch. So, what is it? It's the RIG. Check it out.